about this in my previous bug video, but I was gonna get some blue death beetles, and they came in, guys. Shout out. I got them from Bugs in Cyberspace. Very well-known bugs handler, seller, retailer, like distributor. Like, so I ordered them from him. They came in, and we got them. So here's me unboxing it. Guys, I'm scared. What the fuck? Oh boy, guys. Oh my goodness. Let's fucking go. The beetles fucking came in. The millipede fucking came in. It's all that brown shit though. Oh my god. Oh my god, let's go. So here are the death beetles. Look pretty nice. Honestly thought they were gonna be bigger. I don't know why I thought they were gonna be bigger. But one of them is missing an appendage. It doesn't appear to be that one. So it might be that one down there. I'm not sure though. But those are the beetles, guys. The blue beetles. Oh wow. Animal number 2. Yeah, damn. That's good enough. Look at that, guys. Millipede. I think I'm gonna just let them get out by themselves. So, shit. These guys are already playing dead. Look at his dramatic eye. Like, bro. He far gone. He's like, no! No! Where's it? I don't know what the other one is. Let's see, they're not dead, but they're just pretending, I guess. What the fuck, dude? Look at him. Gee, Will. There's dick number 1.
Excuse me, I'm the owner.
Oh, fuck. I forgot about that. Where's my tarantula? Okay. Dick number 1. I think, what?
Let's see.
No, he's under the substrate.
What if I touch his back? What if I give him a little back scratch?
No, he's gonna go in the substrate. Wait till they're out. There's Dick Uno.
It's like little legs.
Yeah, that's exactly what they are. Maybe he'll start eating my skin.
Ew.
Get clipped for the documentary.
Same for unboxing.
I'm about to unbox you. So, final review. I would say
5 stars, would eat here again?
I would say shout out to Bugs in Cyberspace. Where'd the other one go?
Oh, this dude's about to twist around my finger.
They're just like derps.
Yeah, they're just walking around.
Little derpies. Homie, what you doing? He's derping around.